I can't let you just bully my whole freaking company.
I was not bullying anybody. I have no idea.
You're a bully.
No, I'm not.
Dude,
No, I am not.
you are. When it comes to them dollar bills, you are a bully.
Yeah, because everybody me around too much.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. Sorry, I was on the phone with English. Did you get all this kind of figured out? Huh?
I know where the range is in the center of this wall. The dishwasher, you want to the left or right of that window.
Yeah, if you got room to put over here, I'd rather here than a big ass island.
That'd be like the same as the other one.
Yeah, probably. With those ends too. You got all this kind of worked out?
Yes.
So
Dishwasher to the right, refrigerator.
where did you put your dishwasher here? You didn't do it, did you?
No, gonna come up.
No. Well, no, it'll be over here, but it's okay, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can put it over there.
Okay. Walk through here real quick and tell me how this layout is. Truly. Adam is somebody who really always has good input. Bedroom 1?
Yep, big bedroom, yep.
You like it? All right. Bedroom number 2, not quite as big, but
Nice.
big enough. Okay. Bedroom number 3. No, this is not the master. It's just
Oh, this is big over here.
bedroom number 3. Hey, buddy.
Hi.
Can you, in this master, you're gonna have to move this toilet over a little bit. It feels too tight. Just move it like 2 inches, okay?
Away from the car?
Yeah, like, yeah.
I'm like 5 minutes away.
Okay, well, I'm gone, but I'm leaving your check here.
Damn it, man.
What do you need? Like to hug or what? I don't understand.
Yeah, I ain't seen you in 3 months.
Okay, I'll wait on you.
All right.
You're such a damn baby. I ain't seen you damn 3 months. I really feel like I'm gonna need Rebecca at Cliff because we're gonna do special stuff there that.
Hey.
Let's just do these 2. Okay. What's up, man? How are you, bud?
It's Juwan.
Hey, Juwan.
Y'all filming me too?
Yes.
Yeah, get the frame.
How are you, man? Oh, you got a new tat on your hand.
You ain't seen? Oh, I got
That means you're making too much damn money. That's right.
Give me that. I'm behind on my Lexus payments.
Hey, I'm just asking. I don't need you blowing up. Who laid that other bathroom out with you?
Noah laid this whole house out. Noah and Ross did.
I don't like it, but at this point.
Well, let's go in here and look at it real quick.
But I think you're gonna be the biggest baby if I ask you to move this because you have to move the stack
well,
and
let's
everything.
go look at it.
Let's go look at it. Vanity should have gone, and the toilet ought to be.
Somebody dropped the ball.
And the toilet should be right here.
They said a 48-inch vanity, tub, and the toilet center of this window. Both of them.
Hey, Noah. Hi, I'm here with English Madden. Do you know who that is?
English Madden?
Yeah, the one who gets real worked up quickly.
I'm not worked up. I did what y'all told me.
Okay, in this bathroom at Shades Crest, in this whole bathroom, as you walk in, how did you have it laid out in your head?
It should be right on the floor.
It's not. Because I don't like anything about how this bathroom is.
What do you think it needs to be?
Well, I think it's just about how we do in every house we do. You walk in, on the right ought to be a vanity, and then the toilet beside the vanity. Yeah, y'all gonna have to run these layouts by me because I don't like this at all.
That vent's picking up the bathroom downstairs.
So do you have to have that vent regardless right there?
I have to have that vent to pick that bathroom up.
Yeah, so we're gonna put not a double vanity, but a pretty wide vanity. Okay, bring that toilet 18 inches off that wall. 18 inches off that wall. Perfecto. Okay, and then 18 inches. Mark it. How much space is all the way to that wall right there?
All the way to the wall?
Yeah, to there.
It'll be 38 and a half.
Yes.
This center right here.
That's where you put it, right there.
So, and then how wide? So that's the center of the
Yes,
the
yes.
vanity. So
You can stick it right there.
So what size vanity do you put?
Don't worry about that.
No,
That's
well,
irrelevant.
I need
Why?
to know.
Why?
Because if I'm roughing it in,
No.
if you put a 6 foot in there,
No. As long as your pipe is in the center of that space, I can do a 24 inch, I can do a 36 inch, I can do 48 inch.
But where they stub out, it's got to hit in them cabinets.
No, yeah, I will. In the middle of this space is where it'll be.
You know, I don't.
Each one of these pieces of pipe right here, all these fittings are about $200 a piece.
No.
$250 a piece. That's why English charge me so much money.
No, I don't. I'm cheaper than everybody else. He don't want to say it that way.
You're a little worked up at times.
Well,
I still love you.
Pressure.
I do too. I do too.
Go to the doctor in January. You know what my blood pressure was when they took it? It was like 187 over 140.
Please.
I love you. I
please,
ain't paying you
please,
30 months.
Please. Okay.
No, right?
All right, I'll see y'all. Yes,
Think about us poor people when Christmas comes around.
I will.
Huh?
I will.
I'll see you. Y'all have